You asked, how to divide 6720 by 5 using the long division method. 6 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 17 minus 15 equals 2. Bring down 2, making 22. 22 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 22 minus 20 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1344.